Do you think equipment can swim? Have you ever seen an excavator moving on mud and water? I'm Harm van der Kamp. I'm the Director of Dam Cleaning Technologies. I saw also that there is a need for local equipment to clean dams and rivers and on the mines, so that we can have better support at a lower cost. So currently in South Africa there are not many suppliers who manufacture this type of equipment. If you want to get machines like this, and especially like the bigger dredgers, you have to go overseas. And that comes with a price tag, but also maintenance wise, breakdown wise, you are bound to long lead times. This makes it attractable for the client that we are local, and we try to do everything in such a way that it also helps them to be more efficient at a lower cost. Here at DCT, we are a proud South African company. We are privileged to design equipment, and we cater for the harsh African environment.